Hey everyone, October 30th, and this is Mondays with the Mayor. Hope you guys are ready for tomorrow, because as we know, it is trick-or-treating, Halloween, and over at the Findlay Toyota Center from 4 to 7 is our safe trick-or-treat, which is, if you haven't been there, is an amazing event. You've got to go there. Everyone's dressed up, tons of candy, and it is an awesome time. And for those of you that have been following my social media, I mentioned last week that my son and I, we're swapping costumes. He's Buddy the Elf that I picked out for him. And yesterday I found out that I will be Roller Skate Ken, is what he's got for me. So if you see me out and about, Roller Skate Ken, that's who I'll be tomorrow. So I can't promise how that's going to turn out, but we'll see. But what we have happening, we're just going to talk about a bunch of different things. Folks, if you haven't heard, we're trying to do Adopt a Park or Adopt a Trail. So if you're interested, or some of your family members or neighbors are interested in doing that, reach out to Parks and Rec, ask them what you can do. We're always looking for additional help and some involvement from the community. And with that being said, we're also always looking for volunteers. So if you have something that you're really, really good at and you want to maybe teach a class or be involved, or maybe just help out with some work around the town, we're always looking for some assistance. So please reach out. You can give us a call, 928-759-3096, and then find out what opportunities there are and see how you can contribute to the town. So look forward to that. What we have tonight we have our master drainage plan public open house. So we have contracted with an outside resource, and we're trying to figure out ways to basically manage our water during monsoons. And sometimes, depending on what parts of town, you'll know that there's a lot of water that flows through our area. So come check it out over at the Police Department Training Center, 6:30 to 8. You just kind of hear what's going on. This is their second public meeting. If you have any questions, or you just have some suggestions, or you just want to mention what happens over at your house, it's a great opportunity to do that. Again, 6:30 to 8 tonight. Of course, I know it's not quite Halloween, but we are only 4 weeks away from our Winter Spectacular. So keep that in mind, folks. It's going to be December 2nd from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. out here at basically where we have all of our events now between the police department and town hall. We're going to have performances, tree lighting, carnival rides, local vendors, food trucks, and of course, the light parade starts at 6 o'clock. Super exciting. Folks, it was amazing last year, and it's going to be even better this year. So again, December 2nd, put it on your calendar from 2 to 8. What else we have? We have, our YavaLine. They have new wraps, so they're going to look a little bit different with Yav Connect. And it's a new app we also have. So please, if you don't know anything about it, check out our PV app. And there's some information about YavaLine on there if you want to hear about that. So great opportunity. Spend a couple bucks and get a trip around town. If you're whether going to work, to the doctors, to shopping, it's a great asset for our community. What else do we have here? Oh, of course, folks, Diamondbacks tonight, right? 5 o'clock. Can't miss it. They had a great weekend. We had a little ups and a little downs over on Friday and Saturday, but I'm feeling confident about tonight, so that is super exciting. Check that out. And I didn't mention this last week. I'll mention it tonight. Congratulations to Bradshaw Mountain Bears bringing home the trophy, defeating Prescott last week, 3rd year in a row. Had a little something going on. Prescott they had some things happening last week, so we didn't really talk about it. So what we got going on again, I still want to give a shout out to our Bears. Kudos to you. I look forward to a great season. You guys are killing it. And we're going to finish it up, of course, with a dad joke, not a bad joke. Why did the ghost leave his job? He didn't like the graveyard shift. Hey, folks, I just read them. All right, have a great week. We'll see you out there.